shade. Oh my god, we have nothing here. Hi guys, in this video we're going to be unboxing the Kiko Cosmetics Advent Calendar. It is this one here. It is very reflective and the cost of it is 30 euros. It contains 24 products and Kiko Cosmetics is an Italian brand. You can find a lot of makeup products. They also have nail products and skincare. At the end of this video you're going to find out about the overall value of all the products. And before we start, don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell for more unboxing videos. It is like a book, but it is very reflective and we have doors. It is very elegant and we have this beautiful red box. Door number 1 is something very small and mini. Finally, I won! The first product is the mini lipstick in the shade mauve. We have 1.5 grams of product. We have this beautiful mauvish shade and as I can see it is a satin finish. It's not completely matte. The formula is very creamy and I think the color is very nice for the season now. Door number 2 is here. It is very small as well. This is the mini nail lacquer. We have 3.5 milliliters and this is in the shade, I think the shade is number 2, but I'm not very sure. We have this white nail polish. I have tried the nail polishes again by this brand and they are long lasting on me. I like that we don't have a mini brush. That means it is going to be easy to apply the product on the nails. Number 3 is here and it is... what is this? It looks like an eraser, but I think it is a sponge. Yeah, it is a sponge. Why do we have this? How am I supposed to use this one? Door number 4 is this one. I think that it is something like a pencil maybe. And this is the Smart Color Eye Pencil in the shade 4. I have tried this one in some other colors, in blue and green, but they also had something like glitter in them. I know it sounds weird and they were not very pigmented. This one is a brown eye pencil and as I can see it's not very creamy, but you can blend it easily. Door number 5 is here. I think this is a discount code for 20% off. Okay. This discount applies to Kiko face products excluding collections. Valid from 1st of November until the end of March. This was unexpected. I would prefer a makeup product or a product instead of a coupon to buy more products. What are your thoughts about this one? Let me know in the comments. I'm guessing that we have here a blush. No, I was wrong. This is the Smart Color Eyeshadow. It contains 1.8 grams of product and this is in the shade 12. As it seems, all the shades have numbers instead of names. This one is a single eyeshadow. The packaging is very pretty. Let's see the color that we have. It looks like a light golden shade. It's not swatching very well. This is also going to be very nice on darker skin tones as a highlighter, but on me it doesn't show up. And I don't know if it is going to be visible on my eyes. Okay. Door number 7 is very small. I think that we have another nail polish. I was right. I was right. This is the mini nail lacquer in the shade 9 this time. And we have this cool tone light grey purple shade. This one is very nice for winter. Number 8 is a pencil again. I found it! This is the Smart Fusion Lip Pencil in the shade 505. Let's see the color. Oh, that's very creamy. This one is a light mauvish lip shade and it is very creamy. It glides super smoothly on my skin. You can also use it underneath a lipstick. I think it is going to look very nice with the lipstick that we got. We have the Smart Color Mascara and this is in the shade 9. So I'm very curious to see if it is actually a color mascara. Oh, it is black. Why is it called color mascara? A little misleading, and the applicator is very different. On one side we have longer bristles. It is also dented. So, okay, it looks like we have natural bristles instead of plastic. This mascara is made in Italy. It can last up to 6 months. We have 8 milliliters of product, but it doesn't say if it is lengthening, waterproof, or volumizing. And yeah, I have never tried this one. Let me know in the comments if you like it. If you have tried another mascara by Kiko Cosmetics, let me know in the comments. Next we have door number 10. Oh my god, no! We have one more discount code for 20% off on skincare products this time. So they claimed that we are going to get 24 products, but instead of that, I have 2 coupons. That's not very nice. I'm hoping we don't have any more of them. After that, door number 11 is another eyeshadow, and this one is the Smart Color eyeshadow in the shade 7. This is made in Italy. We have 1.8 grams of product. Let's see the color. This one is a soft gray khaki eyeshadow. It has a shiny finish. You can use this one on the eyelid, and you can blend a light brown eyeshadow in the crease, and that's it. You can make a very nice smoky eye look for Christmas, holidays, every day if you want. This eyeshadow can look very nice on a lot of different skin tones. Let's continue to door number 12. Ooh, another nail polish. This is the mini nail lacquer in the shade 7, and we have a light pink. Oh, it doesn't open. It doesn't open. I've made it. This one is a light pink nail polish, and for shades like this one you're going to need about 2 or 3 layers because it is a very light color. Number 13 is the mini lipstick in the shade Rosy Hibiscus. Ooh, that's a very pretty shade. It is a warm brown peachy lipstick. I think it has a little bit of red and orange. This one has the same consistency with the previous lipstick. I think door number 14 is the biggest one that we have today. Oh my god, we have nothing here. I don't see the product now. Let's continue to the next one. Maybe I can find it in another door. Another code? That's so disappointing. This is a coupon for 20% off, this time on eye products. I would prefer an actual eye product instead of this one. 16 here. This is the mini nail polish in the shade... I don't have a shade for this one. That's weird, but it looks like a light golden nail color. So we can call it the Goldie. This is the mini nail lacquer in the shade 40. This little cutie pie here is a black nail polish. This one is the Smart Color Eye Pencil in the shade 16. Ooh. So it looks like a very dark gray eye pencil. This is also creamy, and you can blend it and use it before your eyeshadows. This one has definitely a satin finish. It's not matte. Door number 19. I thought that this was an eye pencil, but it is the Smart Fusion Lip Pencil. This is in the shade 533. Ooh, that's a very pretty shade. It is a light brown lip color, and I think I have some NYX lipsticks from the Advent Calendars that are going to go very well with this lip pencil. Door number 20 is another eyeshadow. We have the Smart Color eyeshadow in the shade 2, and let's see the color of this one. This one is also not very shiny. It's very weird. These eyeshadows are like drier. This is a very light champagne eyeshadow with a shimmery finish. I think it is going to look very nice on my skin tone as a highlighter. It's not very pigmented for an eyeshadow. Behind the door number 21, we have one more nail polish. This is the mini nail lacquer in the shade 11. This one is a darker lavender nail color. I'm just hoping that it's not another coupon code. My wish came true. And this is a code for 20% off on lip products. I wouldn't mind if we had just one coupon code for any products, but 4 of them is just a lot. It looks a little bit cheapish, especially if you want to give this to someone as a gift. 23 is almost open, and it is another pencil. 23 is another smart colored eye pencil, and this is in the shade 10. This one has a beautiful blue color and it is very creamy as well. You can use it in the waterline if you want to give a pop of color to your eye makeup look. You can use this as a base for a blue smoky eye look. Let's continue with the number 24. These are some nail stickers. I'm guessing that they were behind the door number 14 and they are super pretty. They don't have any description on them, but they are looking like nail stickers. Or maybe stickers, I'm not very sure. This little cutie pie is number 24 and it is the mini lipstick in the shade Classic Red. Ooh, that's a very pretty red lipstick. I love the shades for every day and every month. I think that this advent calendar is not worth the money, especially if you want to give it as a present to a friend. And I'm very disappointed because this brand has a great range of products. I was expecting something better for the advent calendar. The next advent calendar has only full-size products. You can find it here. And the overall value for this one is €43.43. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!